want you to put your arm out. Put your arm out. No. Up. Can you do that? Good job. There. Now up, like this. Up, like this. Can you do that? No. I want you to pull your sleeve up. I want you to pull your sleeve up, then I want you to put your arm up like this. Get down. Still. Hold it. Be still. Be still. Okay, good job. Now, be still. Oh. It's called blood pressure. My heart is. Be still. Can you be still for me? Oh, Mary Helen.